The first thing you did, Jay.
So, well, I know that I needed the slope of the line tangent. So I started by finding the derivative of the equation you gave me.
So keep talking. Tell me what to write.
First, I just wrote it out kind of slow because I got 2x times d over dx plus negative 2 times y of dx over dx plus x of dy over dx. And that section is in parentheses. And then,
let me slow down for a second. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to write minus. I'm going to factor out the 2.
yeah, I did that the next step though.
Oh, you
I
did.
just wrote
Either
it
way.
down slow because.
Then I'm going to use the product rule to find the derivative of this, which means I have y multiplied by the derivative of x, which is just 1, plus x times the derivative of y, which is y prime. Are you okay there?
Yeah.
Derivative of 16x is 16. So did you get to that point?
Yes.
Does anyone else need me to go through that in any more detail? Cool. So tell me what you did next. Tell me the next line.
So-
Just tell me what to write.
Then next, I subtracted 2x and moved it to the side with the 16.
Tell me what to write.
So 16 minus 2x equals negative 2. Oh, I also distributed the negative 2 to the other thing. Equals negative 2y plus negative 2x y prime.
You good? Cool.
Okay.
Keep going.
And so then I added y prime to the 16 plus 16 minus 2x.
Just tell me what the next line says.
And so then
So what does the next line say?
it should be 16 minus 2x plus 2y equals negative 2x dy over dx.
We need questions about any of it. Keep going.
I just realized what I did wrong because at least when I wrote it down, the next one down, I forgot to do minus 2x again, and I just dropped it.
Okay.
So that's what I did wrong.
There you go.
And so
And I'm going, so this is my formula. I like to say the slogan for that formula is plug in x and y, find the slope of the curve. Or we could know the slope of the curve and have to find an x or a y. But here we're going to plug in 2 and negative 7. As I often say, the class is all about understanding. So I'm going to give a full ticket to someone here in a minute. Jake has earned a full ticket by helping get us through the problem. So let's see. 16 negative 14 would be 2. 2 minus 4 is negative 2. All over negative 4.
Yeah. Is it just 4, not negative 4? No, it would be negative 4 because then it makes it positive.
So positive 1/2 is the slope.
Yes.
Did I do it right? Okay. So Jake already has a ticket. Somebody who's willing to earn another ticket, tell me the difference between this box and this box. Like what's this for and what's this for? So Reagan? Yes, no?
I'll try. So
Sure.
the top one is just, it's the slope of the line that it gives you for like any point on that line, but then the one below it is for the point to -7.
It's perfect. It really is perfect. I want you to say one word differently just because it will prevent errors. We'll want to think of this as a curve instead of a line. So there's some curve. There it is. This is the formula for finding the slope at any point along that curve. And you're right. This box is finding the slope precisely at this point. That is well done. Okay, in a minute. Other question? So all that's left to do is write the equation of the line that would be tangent to the curve at that point. So we just write it down now. Slope is 1/2. X, subtract the x coordinate plus the y coordinate, like that. They move the 7 over to this side. That's how they got this as their answers. Question? You would have a different question you want to talk about.